Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up VS Code for Java programming. Now, there are a couple prerequisites here. You do have to have Java installed, and I do have videos on that on my channel, so check those out if you need to do that. But once you have Java installed, it's pretty easy to set up VS Code for Java. But first, before we get to that, if you like videos where I show you how to install and set up software, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is install our extensions here, or click on our extensions rather. And what we want to do is search for extension pack for Java. Okay, and we got this extension pack for Java by Microsoft. It's popular extensions for Java development that provide IntelliSense, debugging, testing, Maven, Gradle support, etc. Okay, we're going to click install. Okay, once the extension is installed, we can start coding in Java. All right, so I'm going to close this out and I'm going to go open my Explorer here. And you'll see here we can open a folder, like as typical with VS Code, or now we could create a Java project. Just to demonstrate some of the features of the Java extension pack without getting too much into building a project, I'm just going to create a folder here. Let's just create a folder called Java here. And let's open it. And yes, I trust the authors. I'm going to create a file. Let's call it test.java. Okay, and I'm going to write a basic Java program here. I'm just going to say public class test. And there's some cool shortcuts that come along now that we've installed the extension pack. So if I type main and hit tab, it gives me all that code. So I don't have to type public static void main, string, square brackets, args, all that stuff. And I can also do sysout here, and it's a little slow with the recording, so sometimes it takes a moment to warm up. Here we go. So sysout, I'll select that and hit enter, and it gives me system.out.println, and I can print something like, hi, my name is Tim. Okay, and now I can save this file, and I can bring up the terminal with control and the tilde. Okay, and to compile this file, I'll do javac test.java. And now that it's compiled, you'll see this test.class file that was created here. I can now run the file by just doing java and then test. And you see here, hi, my name is Tim. So everything is up and working great. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like. Thank you.